And this is the whole thing. You know, when they talk about like the whole gender stuff, and there's like these battles, you know what I'm saying, where people say, well, there's only male and female, and other people say, no, there's multiple genders. It's like what people don't understand about that is like there's different frameworks, and the frameworks are all based on numbers. So what a lot of folks don't understand is like, look, there are binary frameworks. You see what I'm saying? There are frameworks that are based on a number 2. And yeah, you can take the concept of gender and you can apply it to the number. You can apply the law of number 2, and then we have 2 genders. But yeah, there's another framework that's separate where we can say, well, look, we can base it on 1. And like people are like, yeah, I guess at the end of the day, we can find the commonalities of gender within all human beings and all living things, and we can say, well, basically there is one gender. You know, like we don't have to acknowledge the separation of the many, or of the 2, the masculine and feminine. We could say there is one, and that has an application, because there's things that apply to both men and women that apply to all human beings, where you say, well, all genders, all people do this, where the binary gender conversation says, well, you know, one human type produces sperm, the other one, you know, grows it into a physical being. So those are 2 functions, you know. But you can also say, well, look, well, all humans reproduce or participate in the reproductive process. And let's say, yeah, okay, yeah. And all humans do this, and all humans do that. And so you could assign the number 1 to, you know, gender theory as well. And then you can also assign number 3, and the number 4, number 5, 6, et cetera, et cetera. So, but the issue with assigning the other numbers is, well, it has to make sense. So if you're going to break something down into 3s, into thirds, like all the things that you're breaking down have to make sense. Same thing with fourths. Like, yeah, certain things you divide into fourths, like the seasons. It makes sense. Summer, winter, spring, fall. We can divide into fourths.